Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at the moment we have many clamshell style foldable, in other words flip phones on the market, and the trend is touching new peaks with every passing year. But unlike the normal candy bar phones, the brands only offer a single variant of their flip phone with premium specs. Even though Samsung has launched 4 generations of their flip phone, but they still stick to releasing single variant of the Galaxy Z Flip each year. However, Motorola seems to go with a brand new strategy to make this amazing tech more common. So right now, Motorola is expected to launch its 4th generation of the flip phone, the Moto Razr Plus 2023 aka Moto Razr 40 Ultra. The handset is tipped to come with a considerably big cover display and flagship specs under the hood. I have already covered a video on that. However, besides the premium Moto Razr 40 Ultra, Motorola is also working on an affordable version of its clamshell phone. That may be called Moto Razr Lite or just Moto Razr 2023. Luckily, the popular tipster OnLeaks has shared some renders showcasing the design from pretty much all angles. So the first noticeable difference here is that unlike the Moto Razr 40 Ultra, which comes with a giant cover display, the Moto Razr Lite will sport a tiny cover display. So it will be useful for limited tasks like displaying the clock and notifications. And this is we can expect from an affordable clamshell. Right next to the small cover display, we can spot the dual camera setup and LED flash. However, at the moment it is unknown if the Razr Lite 2023 will share the camera resolution with its Ultra variant. Further, on the side of the Moto Razr Lite 2023, we can spot the antenna lines, which is suggesting it may be using the metal frame. So will be a good touch to an affordable clamshell phone. Let me know what you think about the design. Anyway, bear in mind these are some early renders, so possibly the final design may differ slightly. Right now the hardware specifications of the Moto Razr Lite 2023 are under wraps. Surely it won't be as much powerful as its Ultra variant, but we can expect it to be powerful enough to give a good taste of a clamshell foldable without breaking your bank. We are expected to get more details and even some spy shots as moving closer to its possible launch date later this year. Sure, I will keep you updated, so subscribe for more and smash the like to tell the algorithm that this video is pretty good, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.